Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix laptop volume button not working Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to fix laptop volume button not working Windows 11 from Task Manager. Let's start by right-clicking on Start and opening the Task Manager. In Manager, select Windows Explorer. When doing so, click on Restart Task. Wait for the environment to load again. Chapter 2. How to fix laptop volume button not working Windows 11 from services. To start, enter services in the search box. Open local services. After this, double-click on the Windows audio service. You are going to set the automatic option to the startup type. Apply this change. Chapter 3. How to fix laptop volume button not working Windows 11 from Device Manager. To start, right-click on Start and click on Device Manager. Then in the Audio Inputs and Outputs section, you will right-click on the driver and choose Update Driver. After this, click on Search automatically for drivers and you will check whether or not there is an update. Chapter 4. How to fix laptop volume button not working Windows 11 from terminal. The first thing you will do is right-click on Start and click on Terminal Admin. Click Yes to access. There in the console, scan the file system with the command sfc/scannow. Press Enter. You will wait for the analysis tasks to be completed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Upon completion, review the status of this process. Chapter 5. How to fix laptop volume button not working Windows 11 with Troubleshooter. You are going to enter Troubleshoot in the search box. Click on Troubleshoot Other Problems. After that, click on Run located in the audio section. You can see a wizard opens. In it, you can interact to find a solution to the Windows volume button error. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.